Hey guys, it's Game Time X Vlogs doing another GTA 5 video. In this GTA 5 video, we're gonna be upgrading this dirt bike. This dirt bike's name is... It's right there on the very corner. I can't read that because it's too small for me. But yeah, we're gonna go upgrade this motorcycle, see what it can do. Yeah, so full armor, brakes, full engine, level 4. Horn, I don't care about the horn. Lights, respray at the end, transmission, race transmission, turbo. Wheels, we'll do that right now. I think I'll go with the bulletproof tires, blue tire smoke, and we'll respray it. Let's see. No, you know what? I'm gonna go with the chrome. Chrome, and for the secondary, chrome. So yeah, let's go check it out, see how it is. I know this was a quick upgrade, but there isn't really much you could do. So I think the chrome looks good. I could pop wheelies easily now that I upgraded it. And see how it is off-roading. See if it could climb that. And it sure did. Oh, its brakes are pretty good. I think it could drift that like very, very good. But anyway, I'm not going to keep this as my personal vehicle because I just don't like it. Well, I do like it, but I already have a motorcycle. So I don't need it. And yeah. Tell me what other cars I should upgrade. Any car you literally tell me to upgrade, I will upgrade it. Even if I have to like buy it from online. And by the way, tell me which car I should buy from online. Like here, I'll just show you guys if you guys don't have GTA, and you guys could just write in the comments. Alright, so tell me which car I should buy. Any of these cars I'll buy. I already have the Aider, the Vaca, and let's see, which other one do I have? Yeah, I already have those two, and I don't have any of the other ones. Let's see if I should buy a boat. I could afford boats. Tell me if you guys want me to buy a boat. I could obviously... Nah, I'm not gonna buy a boat. I don't like boats. Tell me if I should buy a bike. I don't really like bikes, but if you guys do and you guys want to see me ride one, tell me. Tell me if I should buy any of these cars, even though they're horrible. I already do have this. I have that. Tell me if you guys want me to buy this and upgrade it. Actually, no, I'm gonna do that. But not in this video. I already have that. And I could buy this if you guys want that. Any of these. I think this is a nice car. I think I'm gonna make this one my Christmas car, maybe. And tell me, you guys, if I should buy a motorcycle. So yeah. Bye guys. And as always, please like, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Bye.